Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, today we will start the next part of the alphabet. So next one is the seen. S-E-E-N. Seen. Okay. S-E-E-N. Seen. And the swad. So seen and the swad comes out from the tip of the tongue and the inner edge of the both front upper teeth. Seen and the swad comes out from the tip of the tongue and the inner edges of the both front upper teeth. And the sheen. So sheen comes out from the middle of the tongue and the middle of the palate. Sheen. Next one, the zwad. So the zwad pronunciation is difficult. So zwad pronunciation is that zwad comes out from the sides of the tongue and the roots of the upper molars. Dwad. Okay. Dwad. Dwad comes out from the sides of the tongue and the roots of the upper molars. Dwad. Next one, Twa. T-U-A-A. It is a Twa, not Ta. The first part we read about the Ta, T-A-A, but this is the Twa, T-U-A-A. So Twa, Dal and the Ta comes out from the tip of the tongue and the roots of the upper front teeth. And Dwa, Z-U-A-A. Dwa, it is a soft. Dwa and Dal and Tha comes out from the top of the tongue and the inner edge of the upper teeth. And Ain and Ha. Ain and Ha comes out from the center part of the throat. Ain and Ha, this wise. And Ghaen and Kha comes out from the top part of throat. Ghaen and Kha, this wise. Okay. Ghaen and Kha. So inshallah we will read the pronunciations of next letters in the next part. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.